इय्याक नअबुदु व इय्याक नस्तईन बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. My name is Ibrar Rahman Sohu. My department is BBA 2K19. My roll number is 23. My subject is oral communication, submitted by Sartaj Ahmad. My topic is public speaking. Public speaking, also called oratory or oration, is the process or act of performing speech to a live audience. Public speaking is commonly understood as formal face to face speaking of a single person to a group of listeners. However, due to the evolution of public speaking, it is modernly viewed as any form of speaking formally and informally between an audience and the speaker. Traditionally, public speaking was considered to be a part of the art of persuasion. The act can accomplish particular purpose, including to inform, to persuade, and rules can be utilized according to the speaking situation. Public speaking was developed in Rome and Greece. Prominent thinkers from these lands influenced the development and evolutionary history of public speaking. Public speaking can serve the purpose of transmitting information, telling a story, motivating people to act, or encouraging people. Public speaking for business and commercial events is often done by professionals. These speakers can be contracted independently through representation by a speaker. Public speaking plays a large role in professional world. My second topic is speech making. Write a speech can do a great deal in elevating some of those fears. If you are confident your speech, it will help to put you more at ease. But making a speech is not like writing a paper or even giving a presentation. It needs to be precise, concise, and engaging. So, how do you go about writing a speech that you can confident in follow these steps? Identify the purpose of your speech. Before even writing your first bullet point, you need to seriously consider why you are giving this speech. Really nailing it down, you shall be shooting in the dark. Pull them in with your intro. The introduction is very critical point in your speech and one you should work extremely head on. You need to draw the audience in right from the beginning. You have pretty little time to introduce your subject and show then why should listen. My third topic is telephonic communication. My third topic is telephonic communication. Few tips: be positive and clear. Relax and use hand gestures, activities to avoid. Summarize and be thankful. Be positive and clear. It is important that you are in a positive state of mind before you make a call. If you decide to make a call while you are in a full mood, it may lead to a mishap or a misunderstanding. So make sure you are in a happy frame of mind before making a call, as positivity creates positive results. When you make a call, always being with a greeting and make sure that you are taking to the right person. Relax and use hand gestures. It is important to stay cool, calm, and composed and not to react rudely or unreasonable situation. Reacting in an impolite manner may lead to a no win situation. If you lose your temper, it would lead to incorrect decisions and utility harm you. So be calm and stay focused. Activity Activities to avoid: there are some basic things which you should avoid while taking over the phone or talking to someone face to face. Shaving, drinking, eating, and especially smoking. Even repetitive vocabulary is not good if you utter a single word to summarize and be thankful. Once you are done with the content and you have nothing to tell, just quickly summarize the matter. Before before you complete the call, just be a bit thankful and shows some Gratitude to the listeners for listening you and inspiring some of his precious time for you.